It's January 20th, 2023, and I have this elliptical here that I purchased recently, and it's got a clunking sound. And I'm going to walk around you can hear the sound. It's coming from the front. Seems like it's in the casing where the flywheel is located. As you can see, this machine is supported on wood, which is insulated by carpet, and everything is sealed very well and leveled very well. But you can hear this clunk noise.